Hi everyone, this is Business Hunters. Today I want to quickly show you the branding that have taken place with our blender. You can see that we now have a different carton right now. The carton has been redesigned. So I just feel that I should quickly get this information across to our customers so that when we are supplying you, you will not say the blender has been changed. Look at the carton. It is now a gray and white carton that have been redesigned. The quality of the blender has not changed. Like I always tell my audience, what makes the difference with our blender is the fact that what we build into this machine is always copper coil and a quality thermostat that controls the temperature so that when you're using it, it's not going to get unnecessarily hot and get burnt. That is the work of the thermostat. So the quality of this blender actually remains the same. If you look at it, it is still the same blender. As you can see, it looks totally different from any other blender that you can get around. Look at it. So it's not that we have changed anything about this blender. Look at it. This one is even a double jar, and if you look at this here, we have the bigger cup here that you can see. This is a bigger cup and this is the smaller cup. So that's just the information I wanted to pass across to my customers so that you don't think we redesign and we have changed the quality. Look at everything is still the same. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video. Thumbs up for us. Take care. God bless.